I'm Anahita Razmi. I'm a visual artist based in Berlin, and I'm currently the Goethe at LUX artist in residence. And LUX is the UK art agency promoting and supporting artists' moving image. The title of the project is The Future State. It's a project that tries to facilitate settings where we can discuss the future state of the Islamic Republic of Iran. I organized 4 roundtables, the future state 1, 2, 3, and 4, where I invite different contributors, different collaborators to together speculate on this topic, and a topic that is very loaded at this moment in time. But because it's so difficult, I was very interested in actually doing a project like this and see what possibilities we have here in London. So we're not in Iran, we're talking from a foreign country. So what different perspectives come into the project from here.
So could you talk us through the conversations that happened with that kind of provocation?
The thing is, I also think, and that's what I like about the roundtables, they're really defined by what people bring to them, no? And it's, again, obviously I'm inviting people, but I'm also, every time, and that will continue in the coming roundtables, everyone who's there is invited to participate in the discussion. Also, right now there's an exhibition on at LUX, which is a work in progress exhibition somehow, that includes a new video and also audio recordings of the 4 roundtables. And also I did an artist talk and a screening in Glasgow. The video shown at the exhibition at LUX at the moment is titled Parties. I made it in relation to the research I've done here, but it's not like an outcome. I included logos and banners of different Iranian political parties and groups, also through history. So there is quite a few, and that is interesting in itself, I feel, because we're talking about Iran. There's no democratic system in Iran, so lots of parties are banned. There's no secular parties anymore. So if you're a secular party, you're banned. It combines these logos with a very contradictory and also not fitting element, I feel, and that is then Iranian snap, or the Persian snap, a beshkan, and it's a snap that I cannot do because it's quite specific again, and very Iranian, and the video shows instruction in a way, and I was interested in making this weird connection. I do this also dumb, weird wordplay, parties, political parties, where you do the beshkan, the Persian snap. The residency was really amazing in the sense that I could work in a way that usually is sort of impossible, and also meet and network with people that you are very interested in and that work in relation to what you're doing. I'm preparing a solo exhibition in November, which is going to open at Carbon 12 Gallery in Dubai. So I even plan to include some bits and pieces from this project here into a commercial gallery show. So for example, the video that is at LUX currently will also be shown there, but it will be shown in a very different setting and connection, and so this will be very interesting for me.